In this video, I was thinking that we could have a look at how we can hand in one of our examinations. So let's head over to the computer and have a look. As we can see, I have been working my way through the first part of the course, and I am now ready to tackle examination 1. And I already have a script that I have been working on. So if we go into examination 1, and now imagine that I am ready to try to upload it. What I need to do is to go to the very bottom here and click this button here, which will open an upload page. And here I create a new submission, and then I just drag my script to this big area here and click submit. What will happen now is that the tests will run, and let's see how it went here. We can already see that I failed at least one test, but let me minimize them all and we'll have a look. Wow, we can see that I passed a few tests, but I also failed a few tests. But don't worry, as we can upload as many times as we want, we can use this to our advantage. So if we take a look at one of the tests, we can work on passing this test, and when we have passed that one, we can also start working on the next one. But all right, let's focus on one of the tests here. First, let's take a look at the different parts that we see here. Up here, we can see the input that is given to the script when the test is run. Here we can see what the test is looking for. So this is expected to be somewhere in the output when we run the script. On the right hand side, we see the actual output from our script that we have uploaded. So that is here, and below the test framework tries to give us a hint of what is the difference between this and this. And we can see that it indicates that there is a problem down here. Personally, I prefer to look up here and compare it manually. And if I do that, I can see that there is a difference here. I forgot that I need to use only 2 decimals. So I'll try to fix that in my script, and then we can try to upload again. So give me a second and I'll write some code. All right, I have tried to fix the problem, and now let's try to upload again. So I go back and I create a new submission. I drag my corrected script here and submit it. And let's see how it goes this time. Oh yes, we managed to pass all the tests. And for our upload to be considered solved and accepted, we must pass all the tests. So we must have the green check marks everywhere on all the tests. There is one more thing I would like to show you, and that is if we go back to Canvas and we go to grades, we can now see that we have a grade here for examination 1. But let's examine what we see here. The first number, we can completely ignore it. We are not using it, but unfortunately, we cannot hide it. So the 1 here, or whatever number it says, we can ignore. Then the 3 is the grade. And all examinations that we hand in and that passes all the tests will get grade 3 to start with. Then after I have manually reviewed the report, it can be raised to 4 or 5 if the report is accepted. But to begin with, all submissions will get grade 3 if they passes all the tests. That was a quick look at how we can hand in an examination. and how we should interpret the things that we see in code grade. But I would like to finish with saying good luck with your examination.